serendipity, a chance encounter with an estate beneath the komorebi filtering through the trees. A feeling of saudade washes over you, a longing for something just out of reach, a touch of fernware urging you to explore. The air is thick with the scent of petrichor, the earth breathing after a sudden downpour. Emotions of the past.